Hey guys, it's me, and today I'm going to be making another video. So I made another video, it's a little bit too late, but today is the second day of 2018, which means it's going to be my first video of 2018, and today I'm going to be making a healthy sandwich. Now I tried to make this video 2 times before, and it did not go well, so I already have prepped some stuff. Literally all I prepped was the bread, because I literally just wanted to do this to be a quick video. I need a knife. Got a knife.
No, it's fine.
Knife. What am I gonna do first? Oh yeah, okay, bread. I mean meat. 1 piece meat. No, just 1 piece meat because we're running low on meat. This is what the sandwich looks like so far. Which is over sandwich right here.
Finally.
I don't know how, but earlier today I cut my thumb, and the more I think about of what I think happened, the more I just feel uncomfortable. I think Emily's toenail picked into my skin. I'm not really doing anything right now because let's just go on with the video and pretend like it didn't happen. And go on with the video. Just pretend like that didn't happen. That didn't happen, anybody. No, nothing happened. Check this cheese out. We're not putting it on just yet. Open it on mayonnaise first. I'm doing something stupid. I'm using the barbecue sauce as a stand. What am I gonna do? I'm using the barbecue sauce that I need for my sandwich as a stand. Hold on. Not this time. Found another stand. Oh, it's just really good. Just
How am I going to drive in a tornado?
put the cheese on it. I think I can have one with the cheese. I only went over something with this, and I couldn't get it because it was disgusting. I was so disappointed. I was so upset. This is so disgusting. But I mean, if you want barbecue sauce in your sandwich, this is what you're gonna use. This big huge thing of Sunny's barbecue sauce that looks disgusting on the outside. Just, oh, flip! Oh, ew, disgusting. Now, if you're wondering what you're gonna do with this little middle part, you don't really do anything with it. Just put it in the trash if you want to. Now let's put the rest of our lettuce on the other slice of bread.
What the? Huh?
Just take this little piece off. See. And then you do this. It's upside down. I know. It's upside down. It's upside down. And here you have it. Now let's cut it. Last step is cutting it. Which is my favorite part because I like to see the inside. I'm cutting it wrong. This is not looking good. Ugh, the cutting is not going good. Well... inside of this one, inside of this one.
Yes.
Well,
I'm diving.
not quite done yet. Just a couple more steps to making this wonderful. Well, I mean, I'm all for lighting, but that's a little bit too bright. Next step for making this perfect lunch is the drink. I was thinking for a top, but there is no top. Final step.